Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tycoco. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a long curve across at the top. Then from both ends, let's curve it down and bring it in, stopping here. Now at the bottom, let's draw two angles and then bring it in and up. Now let's add a smaller one next to it on both sides. And then one more in the center. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop in and let's draw the face. For the tops of the eyes, let's draw two curves out and up like this. And then add a large curve underneath. Now from the bottom corners, let's draw another curve up at the bottom here. And color the eyes in black. Next, let's hop to the center and let's draw a curve up for the nose and a curve at the bottom. And color it in black as well. Now on the right side, next to the eye, let's draw a teardrop shape. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw the hat. On the top left, let's draw a curve up and another curve on top. Now let's draw two angled lines up and then a line across to close it off. And then inside, let's add another line at the bottom. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath on both sides and let's draw a zigzag line down. And then continue the zigzag line across at the bottom. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw the arms. Let's start with an angled line out at the top on both sides. And curve it back in underneath. Now for the arms, let's draw an angle out and bring it down. And the same thing underneath. Now for the hands, let's draw a longer line across at the bottom and then bring it down from the inside. Now from the outside, let's draw an angle in then hop up from the bottom, let's draw a small line out and curve it back in underneath. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw two angles down. Then hop out and let's draw a line down on both sides. And then close it off at the bottom with a line across. Now underneath, let's draw 2 small lines down on both sides. And then a line across for the tops of the boots. Now for the inside, let's draw a line down. And then for the other side, a small line down. Now at the bottom, let's bring it over and up. And then to close off the shoes, let's draw a large curve out and back in. And that's it for Tycoco. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!